Hello everybody and welcome back to Methodical Math. Today we're going to learn how to apply the half-angle identity within an integral. So the two things we need to know are the half-angle identities themselves. Sine squared x is the same thing as 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2x. And then the other one is a cosine squared x. That equals 1/2 of 1 plus cosine squared x. All right, let's just jump right into an example and see how these work. Example 1. We're going to go ahead and integrate cosine squared x dx. So right here, I'm just going to plug in what we know, the half-angle identity. So keep our integral. Cosine squared x turns to our 1/2 of 1 plus cosine of 2x dx. Let's go ahead and simplify this. Pull out our 1/2. He is a constant. We're left with 1 plus cosine of 2x dx. All right, now we can just go ahead and take the antiderivative of 1 and of cosine 2x. So we're going to have our 1/2 multiplied. The antiderivative of 1 turns to x, plus the antiderivative of cosine is a positive sign, sine of 2x, all over 2, plus c. So our final answer, and what we're left with, multiplying in our 1/2, is we're given x all over 2 plus a sine of 2x all over 4, multiply that 2 in, all over 4 plus c. And that is how we plug in the half-angle identity for cosine squared x. Let's go ahead and do an example with sine x. So we are given the integral. If my computer likes me, sine squared x dx. All right, let's go ahead and plug in that half angle for sine squared x. We have integral of 1/2 multiplied by 1 minus cosine of 2x dx. Simplifying this, we can pull out that 1/2. We're left with the integral of 1 minus cosine of 2x dx. Now, just simplify one more time. We have our 1/2 multiplied by the antiderivative of 1, which gives us x. We have a minus, dropping our sign down. The antiderivative of cosine is still a positive sign of 2x all over 2 plus c. So just multiply in that 1/2. We are left with x all over 2 minus sine of 2x all over 4 plus c. And that is how we use the half-angle identity on both sine squared x and cosine squared x. Now, if you notice, we only have one small difference between the two here, and that simply is our sine. When we integrated cosine, we were left with a positive, so x over 2 plus sine of 2x over 4. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. And until next time.